enters here, shining its light. Every kick, every sprint, every cheer, capture and cherish, year after year. Zporter, Dada's friend.
Hi, Nick here again. In my new lifelong journey to make youth football much healthier and more fun, with the help of Sai, which we intend to make into the world's smartest youth football coach, we will of course have to collect a lot of youth football data on an individual level. So what I've been doing the last 3 years is building prototype apps for both iOS and Android and responsive web, of course, learning how to collect a lot of youth football data in multiple ways. Let me give you some examples of that. Perhaps the most efficient way of doing that is to offer what we call a football diary, which notifies the players each day and asks them to reflect upon their football day and add eventual training, match or health data for that specific day. And if they so need, can add even more health and medical data, which are so critical to making this football journey as healthy as possible. On top of that, we've added a whole portfolio of tests so players can get an index on both their physical, technical, tactical and mental skills and a total Zporter index on all those skills on those tests. We have of course added a way to help the players to set short and long-term targets, but also to run dev talks with their coaches. And even added a feature for coaches to simplify adding a review on each player's training and each player's match performances as well. Which we are topping up at the moment with adding a feature to be able to add even more detailed football data, manually or automatically. We will add challenges as well, and we will add something called check-in or morning updates as a complement to sort of the go-to-bed update for those academy coaches that would like to have sort of the last update today so they can plan today's training or match in even better ways. But that will not be enough. We will of course add services how to automatically integrate this data into our Google Cloud platform that we are building. So if your team or club are using some type of smart AI cameras like this one from Veo or similar, or if they're using pulse trackers, or if they're using GPS trackers in some way, or if they are using insole trackers, or if they have smart watches to collect individual football or health data with, we will offer an API to be able to integrate that data as well on an individual basis so that each user owns and controls their own data, which means that whenever they switch club or they stop playing football, they will always own this data themselves and be able to go back and view their data and best memories for life. So that's a short example of how we are collecting the world's youth football data to be able to train Sai with and make her into the world's smartest and best youth football coach. So that no matter where kids or teens live, we'll be able to give them a very happy and long youth football journey, because no football journey is the same. They are all very, very different. And to be able to give them the best possible support on this journey, we have to use technology. And we have to, and I can't imagine anything smarter than using artificial intelligence supporting them all on this journey. So if you feel like testing this or join me on this journey, download some of our apps in the App Store or Google Play, or go to zporter.ca, or why not contact me. See ya.
Living in a digital dream, always near.